Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy for growing as little as a $10 account. Okay, so if you want to know how this strategy work, make sure you stick to the video till the very end. All right, because there are some powerful information you don't want to miss. Okay, so I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup for this strategy, and then after that I'll be explaining how the strategy works. Okay, so the first thing we have to do here is to click on this F icon here. After clicking on that, we are going to add our first indicator here, which is the relative strength index. Okay, actually this is same strategy I posted here yesterday, explaining how to use it to trade the volatility indices. Okay, but in today's video I'll be explaining how to use it to trade the boom and crash market. All right, how to scalp on the 1 minute time frame on boom and crash. Okay, so if you have watched the yesterday's video, then you can easily get the settings from there too. Okay, but for those of you who are just coming across my channel for the first time, I'm going to still be sharing the setup again. Okay, so you click on this plus icon here, and then you search for your relative strength index. Okay, which is our first indicator here. So these are the properties for the relative strength index. The period is 1, applied to its close. All right, the levels we have 15 and 85. The color is red, 3 pixel. You click on done. Okay, the time frame is all time frame. The style, you can see the color is white, 1 pixel, and you click on done. All right, now the next indicator we have here is moving average. So you click on this second plus icon here, the indicator window 1 plus icon. You search for your moving average. The period is 14, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to its close. All right, the level you leave it as it is, time frame all time frame. The star is color blue, 3 pixel, and you click on done. Okay, the next indicator here is still a moving average. All right, you click on this plus icon again, you search for your moving average. Now you make the period 7 and you change the color to red. All right, that is the two things you need to change. After that, you click on done. All right, now the last indicator we have here is stochastic oscillator. Okay, so you click on this main window plus icon again, the first one, and then you search for your stochastic oscillator. Okay, so now you make the care period 5, D period is 3, slowing is 3, price field is low high, method is simple. The levels we have 20 and 80. All right, the color is red, 3 pixel, and you click on done. All right, the time frame is all time frame. The main, you have color green, 3 pixel. The signal, color red, 3 pixel, and you click on done. All right, so as you can see, that's how to set up the strategy. That's how to set up the indicators for this strategy. Okay, now with that being explained, now how does the strategy work? Okay, it's a very simple strategy to understand. Okay, so before I go into that, before I explain how the strategy work, I want to quickly remind you guys about my powerful boom and crash strategy, the VIP boom and crash strategy for growing as little as a $5 account. Okay, so this is for beginners who have been struggling to grow their account. Okay, if you are a new trader, you have been struggling to grow your account and it's not been possible, then you should come for this strategy. Okay, it's a very powerful strategy, a VIP strategy for growing as little as a $5 account. Okay, so if you want the strategy, you check the description of this video. You're going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Do make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, so that is that about that. All right, so now how does this particular strategy work? How does it work on boom and crash? Okay, so now the first condition is that you want to see this blue and red line get to the overbought level on the indicator window 1. This is the indicator window 1 and this is the indicator window 2. Okay, so now you want to see this red and blue line get to the overbought level, which is our 85 level here. All right, so once it's at this level, all right, now the next thing you want to see the red line crossing below the blue line. All right, so now once you get this signal here on the first window, all right, that is a signal that you can see the red is below the blue now. Okay, that is to tell you that price is now in a downtrend. All right, on the 1 minute time frame. All right, so now you go to your indicator window 2. On the indicator window 2, you want to look for sell signals only. All right, this is boom 1000. Okay, so you look for sell signals only. Okay, so now this is how you do it. All right, so whenever there's a spike again, all right, before this blue and red line get to the oversold level, in between this area here, you look for entries. Okay, but whenever it gets to this level, you stop looking for entries. Okay, so now in between this area, you want to be looking for sell entries. Okay, so now this is how you do it. Whenever there's a spike and you see the indicator window here, the indicator window 2, the red and the green line, whenever it gets to the 80 level, you go in immediately for a sell. All right, don't be scared. Immediately the spike happen, you go in immediately. Right, but you need to make sure that it's at the oversold level here, overbought level here, sorry. So once it spike and get to the overbought level, you look for your sell. All right, immediately you take 5 candles. All right, you pick 5 candles, immediately you enter 5 candles and you exit the market. All right, if it spike again before getting to the 15 level, you still go in and you pick 5 candles. All right, it's as simple as that. That is how the strategy work. Okay, you just need to be in line with the trend and you are good to go. Okay, so as you can see here, there was another spike before this blue and red line get to the 15 level. You take your sell here again, you pick 5 candles and you exit. All right, so at this area it has gotten to the 15 level, so you don't have any reason to go in anymore. Okay, so as you can see, this is where price is currently. All right, so what I want you guys to do now is to make sure you backtest the strategy. Okay, make sure you backtest the strategy. Okay, go and backtest the strategy. All right, I want you to set it up the way I've explained it, and then you backtest. Okay, because I don't want to waste much time on this video. It's a very simple strategy to understand and it works very well. Okay, make sure you backtest it and confirm how it works by yourself. Okay, don't just take my words for it. Okay, so for the new viewer, if you are just coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. And please don't forget to give the video a like. It helps a long way. Okay, so I think that is going to be all for this video. For the zoom level, you zoom out completely and then you zoom in 1, 2 and 3. You zoom in 3 times. All right, and you are good to go. Okay, so I think that is going to be all for this one, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Silver out.